Hi, and welcome to this tutorial by Ricky Lee for rickylee.com. In this tutorial, every time that I click left on my mouse, you will see the cursor like this. You will see the cursor radiate red circles. That means I click the left click on my mouse, and also you'll hear the clicking sound. And if I right click on my mouse, that's what you will see. And that is what I want you to know during this tutorial. And in this tutorial you will learn how to install Joomla, the content database management that's free that you can use on your website on your local Windows machine using PHP and Apache that has already been put together into a program called XamppLite. And this tutorial assumes that you have already downloaded both of these software. Just in case you don't know where to download it, what you would need to do is go to Google or your favorite internet search and type in Joomla download. I'm using Google search, and once you type it in and you click search, this is the first page that shows up, and you'll want to go ahead and just click on the web page for Joomla and download it. And if you need to know how to download a file from the internet, please watch my other video. This tutorial is for installing Joomla and XamppLite on your local machine so you can work on your website locally without having to depend on the internet. And then the other software is XAM, which is put download and click enter, and it's the first one that shows up. XAMPP for Windows, and for our tutorial I only downloaded the light version, which is all you'll need. Just go right here, it says XamppLite, click on it and download it. So let's say you already have it, you downloaded XamppLite and Joomla, which I have, and here is the folder that the software is. So here I have my Joomla already unzipped, and when you first download it, it is in a zip form. First we'll go ahead and install XamppLite. So you go ahead and click on it, and you go ahead and click on run. I minimize the window in the back, and for this tutorial we'll go ahead and install it into my default drive, which is the C drive is the default. If you want to use a different drive, go ahead and click on browse, select on the drive you want and the folder you want, and then click OK, and then you'll come back to here and click on install, and it'll go through the process of installing. I'm going to go ahead and pause, and then we'll pick up when this install stops. Okay, we are now into the next part of our installation. The first part has completed. This window will automatically pop up once the first part is completed, and you'll go ahead and just click enter for yes, and then you'll click enter again for yes, and then click enter again. That's the third enter. And the Apache MySQL, which will be used for creating a database on your local machine, will continue to install, and you'll get this message: XM is ready to use. And then we'll click enter to continue. This is the fifth enter, and we'll go ahead and click 1 so that we can bring up the control panel, and click enter. There's the control panel. We'll go ahead and check on service module, click OK. Check on service module for my SQL, click OK. Click on start for Apache, and then it's running. Click on start for my SQL, and that's running also. And then let's go ahead and close out this window. Type X, click enter on your keyboard, and then we'll go back to this window. We're going to now need to create the MySQL database. We'll click admin. This database will be used by the Joomla software for your website. And now you just go ahead and name your database. I'm just gonna name it Ricky Lee, the same as rickylee.com. We'll go ahead and click create the database. So I didn't change anything. Okay, database Ricky Lee has been created. There you go.